Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn 16 idioms and phrasal verbs. So, the first phrasal verb is pass away. What does it mean to pass away? It means to die. Like we can use it in a sentence, like my cousin some days ago passed away. And we can also use instead of pass away another idiom, and that is kick the bucket. Like if you want to say he died, so we can say that he kicked the bucket. And the other idiom is to cut up. What does it mean to cut up? So to cut up mean to be upset. Like I was cut up because I scored low in exam. And the other idiom is to put up with. It's mean to tolerate. Like if someone missed you around, so you can say that I will not put up put up with you if you I will not put up with your nonsense. And the other idiom is to jot down. What does it mean to jot down? So to jot down mean to write quickly, to make a quick note. Like we can say that we haven't time, jot down it. And the other idiom is to shake a leg. So shake a leg mean to hurry up. And the other idiom is to be sick as a dog. So to be sick as a dog mean to be sick, but not a little, but very sick. And the other idiom is to be feel out of sad. So to feel out of sad mean to sick. To be sick as a dog mean to be sick, to be very sick, and to peel out of that mean to be sick. And the other idiom is to be under the weather. So it can also use when we are sick, but we are using it for sick, but a little, not more. So we can use it. I am out of that. I am under the weather.